Hey everybody, my name is Scott. I'm with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory and they call me the Spa Man. Today I'm going to show you how to change the filter cycle or filter setting on a hot tub so that it will go all the way up to 104 degrees. Normally what happens is either A, depending on the type of hot tub you have, it'll have 3 different modes, which means it'll either have a sleep mode, a economy mode, or a standard mode. Sleep mode and economy mode basically shut off the heater or only allow the heater to go up to about 85 degrees. Standard mode allows the heater to go all the way to 104, which is what I'm going to show you how to do today. Now, when you're setting these, there's 4 buttons on this particular hot tub. You have jets, you have the light, you got heat down, heat up. So you push one button and it kind of gets it into the proper mode, then you hit the next one, you can change it back and forth. I'm going to show you how to do all this. Basically, for our demonstration, I'm working on a hot tub that has a BalBoa system in it with a VS Pack and topside control. This will allow the hot tub to go all the way to 104, because that's what we're calling for. We're calling for the hot tub to go to 104. And we're also going to put it in what's called F1 filter cycle. So I'm going to show you how you can change the filter cycles and then how you can put it into F1 and then check to make sure it's in F1. It's pretty simple. I hope it's easy to follow, and let's get on with the rest of this video. Now, this particular hot tub that I'm working on today, I've done a couple other videos on. I figured I would do this one today because I just got asked this over the phone. So I figured I'd do a really quick video and show you guys. This is a Tuff Spa TT650, but Tuff Spa utilizes BalBoa equipment. What I mean by BalBoa equipment, that's the topside control, that is all your buttons that you push, and that is your equipment that turns off and on all your heaters, your lights, and stuff like that. So we're going to show you how to program this particular hot tub. Now, right now, this particular hot tub is set on 74 degrees. It has jets, light, heat up, heat down. Now on some hot tubs, they'll use the same button to go up and down. And when you're pushing it one way, it starts going like 74, 75, 76, 77, 78 to program it. When you let go, that's your desired temperature that you want, and then it'll display the temperature that the water currently is. If you want it to go the opposite way, then you'll push that same button and it'll start going down. Okay, so with this particular one, we've got this setup. So we got jets, lights, cool, heat. What you're going to do is you're going to hit the heat button once. It'll cause this to start flashing. You hit jets once. That tells you you're in F1. F1 allows the hot tub to go all the way up to 104 degrees. It also has the shortest filtration. Now you can turn around and you can hit this and, well, I did it too fast. Got to go back again. So we're at 74, go back here, you hit this. We're at F1. Go like this, go to F8, F7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you're going to have to go to your owner's manual and find out how your hot tub is programmed. Now, once we got F1, then we hit this, and then it goes right there. If we want to see what our desired temperature is, we just hit that, and it displays 100 degrees flashing. That tells us what we are calling for. When it goes back, it's 74. Now, to find out what all of those different filter settings are, F1, F2, F3, F4, you're going to have to go to your particular owner's manual and find out that information. I cannot give you that off the top of my head because every manufacturer programs them differently, and they can be programmed within the hot tub differently. So that kind of gives you a general idea how to set your filter settings. Like this is a Tuff Spa, but this will work for any hot tub that has the same. This is a BalBoa VS system. So this particular demonstration will work with any hot tub that is a BalBoa with a VS system. So I hope that helps you out today. And with that, I'll let you guys go. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, everybody. I want to thank everybody for showing up and watching these videos. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the comments that you guys leave. And I've got a side note. If you ever get a message from me or somebody in my office that says, please call the shop or call the office to get the answer to your question, the reason why I'm doing that is because your question is so close to someone else's question that is working on a completely different hot tub. And if I tell you how to fix yours, even though it fixes your hot tub, the solution to fixing yours will actually either won't fix theirs or will basically damage their hot tub. So there's a reason why I say call the office, or they say call the office. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving.